How would you describe today's breakfast, today's visit? What are your input thoughts on the event today?
The event itself was really great. It was just it was not just another one in a series of Amcham Business breakfast, because we were hosting today the new ambassador, U.S. ambassador to Slovenia, Mr. Brand Hartley, and we are proud actually that he has chosen Amcham Business breakfast as an event where he will expose to the public in Slovenia in that way, and we are proud that it happened actually in front of our Amcham members.
What are some main points that you would maybe expose from today's conversation? What were the most interesting points that you heard from him?
Maybe I would not talk about points, I would rather talk about person, and I think that he's an excellent man, that he's really humorous, and on the other hand, he's really serious, and what he's most serious, I think, about is friendship, about our two beautiful countries, and what we want to do is nurture that and work closely together.
I have to say that everybody I encountered in the United States who had any experience with Slovenia had nothing but praise for the hospitality shown by the people here, the beauty of the country. Slovenia has got a very good story to tell. We hope, of course, that story will improve and be even better as Slovenia comes out of the economic recession and as we hope steps are taken to improve the business environment here.
From an American point of view, how do you see Slovenia? Are we competitive enough to actually reach to the American market?
We work well with Slovenia. We've got a very good relationship. I think on the business side, on the trade side, there's a lot more that can be done. But we have very strong and positive relationships with countries of all sizes in Europe. The Baltics, Luxembourg, up to Germany and France and the UK.
I hope that America will recognize Slovenia as one partner for the third markets, for the Balkans, for the Eastern Europe, I hope.
And we need to put all the efforts together, including the government, including our Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Amcham, US Embassy, to set a platform which will not just enable but enrich the way of our companies to go to the US market, and there's plenty of opportunities.
Do you think that TTIP will make big changes? How do you see it?
Yeah, TTIP will definitely influence the supply chains of each and particular company. Depends on the industrial sector. I believe, because it's a sound economic interest behind, that it should bring positive elements to each individual company. Difficult now to talk about the details, but I'm rather optimistic here.
Well, it's really important to know that TTIP will bring an easier way to enter the US market, the less red tape. It will spur the awareness of the both sides, and as said, the trade is the two-way street, and I guess it will flow even more than that. You know that US and EU are the two biggest economies when you jointly merge them, and I think there are great opportunities for the countries of Slovenia who can just be on that beautiful boat and hope to get more. So I believe that there are so many positive things. There are some concerns that need to be tackled as well, but there is so much positive. So we should be more aware of that and also talk and see what great opportunities this brings.